Hello, I'm Matt here from the MRegSystem development team, and I'm going to give you a basic overview of what MReg is and how you can use it. The basic idea behind MRegSystem is that it allows you to create professional and powerful registration systems in your games. Let me show you what I mean here. First off, when using MRegSystem, you have to register with your email and a password to use when you log in. I already created a test account here just to show you what we can do. Over here is where you add the name of your program. So let's say you're making a program called my web browser. And let's say it just gives basic web browsing ability, whatever program you want. And let's say you're selling this program. We can add the program and then select it from the drop-down list of the programs that you have already added. Let's say someone has purchased your program. Then you can easily add them under the user list. So let's add Bob Johnson. That would be the name of the person that bought your program. And once we add him, he will appear in the user list over to the left. We can now go under registration keys and generate a key for Bob Johnson. So over here, you can see that this is a key that was randomly generated for Bob. We can go click Add Key, and as you'll see up here, the key was successfully added. You can now click a key and you can set some options that other registration systems don't have. For example, you can ban a key, set the expiration date of a key, and you can also set the amount of times the key can be used. There are also more advanced options if you right click on a key and go under more options. For example, the type of a key, keynotes, and master key settings. Back under user information, you can store a bunch of user information for Bob. For example, his email, his home phone, cell phone, address, etc. You can also store notes for a user, which will be visible when you look at the user's information. MRegSystem also includes many other features, including the ability to send email from within the program. Let's say you have two users, so someone else now purchases your program also. Matt. We can click OK and add Matt to the list. Now let's enter Matt's email address. Then we can save his information, and then we'll go back to Bob and enter Bob's email address too. And we'll save Bob's information also. You'll note we already created a key for Bob. Let's create a key for Matt now. If we go under Matt's registration keys, we can generate a key for Matt. We can also customly create our own keys, so we can edit the keys if we don't like it. As you'll see, I am customly creating a key right now, and then I can add that key that I just made myself. Now let's send these keys to the people that have registered the program, which would be Matt and Bob. If you click email, you'll see the email sender box pop up. This is a very powerful tool that allows you to send emails and email templates to the users in a program. This saves a lot of time if you want to send all the users in the program the same email, but have their own registration keys in their own emails. So we can enter the address that the email will be from, enter the subject of the email, and then we can go ahead and enter the message. And then if we right click, we can go to keys and put in this variable here, key list. If we're sending to more than one person, as you can see right here, then key list will update for each email sent with the list of keys for that specific user. We can then send the email, and it says email sent. As you can see so far, MRegSystem is very powerful and has many features that will make registration systems much easier to use and much powerful. There are also many advanced options. For example, if we select a key, we can open the ban editor. This allows you to ban specific IP addresses or Windows usernames for a key. There's also backup features to back up all your data if you would like to transfer it to another account or another server at a later time. You'll also see program settings. Under here you can set key types, mass user messages, and mass key messages, and you can also ban the program so that no registration keys would work on that program. You're probably wondering what key types are. Using key types, you can let certain keys unlock certain features in your program. So we can add two key types here if we'd like. Basic. Let's also add another one, gold. So let's say that your program can unlock certain features for basic and certain features for gold. We'll save the changes we made, and now let's say Matt purchased a basic key. We can go under more options and select basic and save that. Let's say Bob, he bought a gold key. We can now go under more options and select gold. Now when these users enter their information and registration key into the program, Bob will get more features than Matt because he bought a higher level key. Of course, you can create as many key types as you want and customize them to whatever you like. There's also many extra features that I have not shown in this video. For example, key overuse and any of the ban settings that I have not covered. But that was a basic overview of MRegSystem, and I hope that you decide to use it for your registration systems. Thank you.